got the dance theater up there, they dancing up there. Got the Barbie shop. And I am on my way to the Boarding Crab over there. They better not hit this Tesla, baby. Bought and paid for, bought and paid for. Yeah, that's the dance studio over there this way. Then we got the Kikimoro Sushi. I think that's how I said it. I'm not quite sure. I'm probably butchering their name on there, but the Bravo. Let's go to Texas. Look how they got the whole setup, y'all. Just want to get the whole setup.
It's the fried shrimp. Is pasta and ketchup good on the other side?
So this is supposed to be lemon pepper sauce. And as you can see, I'm making a mess of pieces. So we're gonna dip this in our fries, or actually the shrimp. Is it for the shrimp? So this is for the shrimp, and it's actually kind of getting thick. They gave us a handful of limes. They gave us a handful of limes, y'all, to do this. So we're just gonna see how this turns out. You see, we got the shrimp right here. I got my alcohol beverages to save down, and I have some lemon water just in case I die from all of this sauce. So you guys need to let me know what more videos that you want to see, and if this is gonna be good. I don't know, but I'll add it to your collection. Where do I want to drink from? Take us this far. Whoever knew that this life could be so hard? Yeah, I don't know why these niggas try. I don't know why they lie, but I can tell you this Yo, it's LT checking in again, your pearly white friend, man. And today, man, we gonna be making a beat and a testy, man. Let's get it. Show them the test, man. Let's get me and the Tesla in there. So we gonna add, since it's the holiday season, let's see. Let's get a couple trumpets in there, a little violin, something slight. Let's see. What is this? We're gonna add that. I like that. I like that. Turn the volume up. Yeah, I got y'all. Hold on. Let's see what we did. Okay, and then we're gonna put an electric snare in there. Let's see. I should have dragged that over. Let's drag it over. I'm gonna start a new one. Yeah, we about to make a beat though, and then when I come out with the final finishing touches, we're gonna see really what it is. Atmosphere. What you think atmosphere is? More like sounds. Okay, we definitely in the C, maybe an A. It says C5, but this is not really a C. That sounds like a distraught music. Like a suspenseful, didn't it? I don't like that. Let's go down a little bit more. Let's see what this is. drag it over when you did it. Hold on, I got it. Let me go back up, that's too deep. That's too much 70s. We ain't taking it back to the 70s or the 80s. Now that's just crazy.
That's like the 60s.
That's that Beethoven. Hold on. Classic guitar. Let's see what they got for us. When I come back with a little beat, then I'm gonna let y'all know. Hold on, nylon. What is a nylon? That's a nursery rhyme, huh? That's definitely a nursery rhyme. Yeah, that's nursery. Acoustic. Okay. I would never rap on this, but yeah, okay. That's funny. Just a little something, just me messing around. Wait till I really get to pressing the buttons and figure it out. I'm gonna have your ass dance pole clapping.
It's Christmas.
Don't get on my nerves, please. The car about to dance, y'all. Oh, the windows done went down. Why it's not dancing? Oh. Y'all, the car dancing. Oh, it play music and it really dance. That shit is crazy. Stupid. Y'all look at the damn Tesla dancing. Windows going up and down. Elon Musk for president, y'all. We're gonna vote Elon Musk for president. You down? Oh my gosh. So dramatic. That's nice. I like that. Oh wow.